Hi, to install a Hyper-V Failover Clustering, we will need to use VMware Workstation 9, create 3 virtual machines. Okay, in my case, I did a domain controller, DNS, and storage called Vader. 2 network adapters in this virtual machine, one for LAN in this address 11111. One for the SCSI 12 in the address 12 IP address, and machine 1 and machine 2 called Sidious and Doku, 3 network adapters, one for LAN, one for SCSI in the same range, of course, and for live migration I will use 13. Okay, there is some special configurations that you need to do in the network adapters. As network adapter for SCSI, you just need to enable IPv4 and don't check register to DNS. For more information, you can check this link. Okay, there is all information about all network adapters for each service. Okay, now let's go to our example. I have now in here, so I have my computer Vader in here. Okay, there is my DNS, my storage, and my domain controller. I have Sidious and Doku. Okay, these machines already are in the domain controller called that star. Okay, and already set up the network adapters. Just take a look on these network adapters. For my domain controller, just SCSI and LAN. Okay, with the IP range 11. Okay, and for SCSI 12. Okay, the same stuff to the Sidious, just with one more network adapter for live migration. So I have LAN, SCSI, and Internet. Okay, and live migration. This one is created by Hyper-V. This computer is already installed the role Hyper-V role. Okay, so on Doku it's not installed. Let's take a look on Doku. Okay, I have just LAN, SCSI, and live migration. Okay, with the ranges that we see, IP address. Okay, to install a virtual machine and use Hyper-V, we have a trick. Okay, we need to create a new virtual machine using custom. Okay, and then next. I will install the operating system later. Then I will need to choose Microsoft Windows and then Hyper-V unsupported. Okay, and then I will put the name for this Hyper-V. Already has this name. Let's put just a name. Next. Now is always next. Okay, or if you want to change any of these properties, options. Okay, so next, finish. Okay, it's done. Now it's the trick. You need to edit this virtual machine, and in processors you need to check this. Oh, sorry. You need to check the virtualize Intel Hyper-V. Okay, and then you need to keep doing the installation of the operational system and your network adapters. You need to add your network adapters and operational system. But the trick is you need to enable this option. Okay, and then keep installing normally. Okay. Now I have Vader in here. Okay, my domain controller. Now, what we need to do first? We need to create the disks. Okay, for the cluster. So you need to download Microsoft SQL Target, and then after download, install this software and create a new SQL Target. I will name this guy DG1. I'm doing this in my domain controller that will be my storage too. Okay, DG1. Then what will be my host for this storage will be the VD itself. So okay, next, finish. It's done. Now I need to create a virtual disk for this one. I will create a folder in my local disk called storage. Okay, and then I will need to select this folder and create the disk one. I will put 200 giga. This disk will be my data, and finish. Now I need to create another disk to Quorum. So I will do the same process, just now disk 2. With 8 giga. Quorum. It's already here. Now we need to present these disks to the nodes of the cluster. Okay. So it will be the node Sidious. Okay, and it will be the node Duku. Done. It's done. Now what I need to do? I need to go to the Sidious, my another machine, and then in here I will start a SCSI initiator and put the IP address of my storage. Okay, and then I will do the same to Doku. SQL initiator. Okay. Now I will return to Sidious, and in the disk management, these disks will be in there. Here, I will put them online and then initialize. Now I will format. This disk will be my data. Okay. And this one will be my quorum. Let's do it. And here, quorum. Formatting. Okay. Now I need to go to the cool and do, and in the disk management, just put these disks online. Online. Okay, just need to refresh first. Online and online. Okay, it's done. We already have the disks. Now, what do we need to do? Install the Hyper-V role in the two nodes, okay? In the node side, Sidious and Doku, okay? In the Sidious, I already have installed. You can see that I have the Hyper-V role. Now I will install on Doku. Roles, add the roles, Hyper-V. Okay. Now I will choose the LAN, or if you have more NICs, if you have another range, you can use as you want. Okay. In my case, I will use the LAN. It's not for live migration. Okay. We need to wait a bit more. It's ironically that I just can do this test, simulate this Hyper-V clustering failover using VMware. Just need to start. It will shut down again. We need to wait a bit more, okay? Okay, it's going up. Now, it will finish this install the Hyper-V role. Okay. I will just take a look in the network settings. It creates another sometimes this happens. It creates another virtual switch, another network called the virtual switch, and it lost the IP. Okay. And then now I can start to create my cluster. I will enable the features. I will add the failover cluster. I needed to enable this feature in the two nodes of the cluster. Okay. I mean, just okay. We can do the installing in this meantime. Failover clustering. Okay, and then what I need to do now is create the cluster. Create a cluster. I will put the Sidious and Doku. Okay. Now I don't want to validate. I just need to. My cluster name will be that star, and I will use this range. It's creating the cluster. Done. Now I will enable the cluster shared volumes. It's enabled. What I will do now is just to rename this networks. This is my LAN. This one is my live migration. How can I know? It's just to click in here and show in this in the network connections. And this one will be my SQL. I will change the name of the disks. This is will be my column, and this one my data. Okay, and now I will add the data to the cluster shared volumes. Nice. And now I will just configure the column settings. Oh, it's already done. Okay. Sorry. Now it's just go to the services and create a new virtual machine on Doku. Okay. I will create on Sidious first. Hyper-V one. This is you need to store in this volume cluster storage. When you enable cluster shared volumes, it will create this folder. You need to store all your machines in this folder, cluster storage volume 1. Okay, and then finish. Finish. Now I'll go to the resource of this cluster, this service, and then I will choose the network for live migration, just live migration. Okay. Now just to start the virtual machine. Nice. And just to do the live migration to the other nodes. It's transferring from Sidious to Doku. You can see the percent complete and current owner. Go to the Doku and online. Okay, I will live migrate again to Sidious. done. Online on Cydious. I can see in here, Cydious, I have Hyper-V 1. Okay? And then I will live migration to other node. Okay, it's not more in this node. And now I can use quick migration or move nodes. That's it, guys. Thanks.